Welcome to another episode of Markets Dawn Europe, an audio podcast on financial markets for European-based professionals. A minimalistic solution to the information overload in mainstream and social media. This is what you need to know today.
Morning. The focus on global markets shifts to geopolitics and Nvidia's earnings report. The Ukraine-Russia war escalated on its 1,000th day anniversary, when Kyiv used the US-made long-range missile into Russian territory, for the first time since Washington's approval a few days ago. Ukraine hit a Russian weapons arsenal 115 kilometers from the border. Putin responded with a decree that lowered the threshold for the use of nuclear weapons. Nvidia, the world's largest company with a market value of $3.6 trillion, rallied 5% ahead of today's highly awaited earnings release after the US close. The AI-focused chipmaker has gained nearly 200% this year. Tuesday was a volatile day for European equities, with the Stoxx 600 down by 1.5% at one point, before ending 0.5% lower, driven by the escalation in the Ukraine conflict. Wall Street finished firmer, driven by Walmart's earnings release and Nvidia's rally. Walmart reported quarterly results that beat revenue and profit estimates, and raised its full-year sales guidance as consumer spending improved. Shares gained 3% to an all-time high, to reach a total market value of $696 billion. China maintained its benchmark lending rates unchanged, at 3.10% for one-year loans, and 3.60% for five-year, as anticipated. Beijing is expected to wait until Trump assumes power in January, to announce further stimulus measures. Asian stock markets are mixed today, with China and Hong Kong advancing, while others are a touch weaker, without significant moves. The yen is trading above 155, Brent is steady at $73.20, and Bitcoin remains at its record high, shy of $93,000. Euro Stoxx 50 futures are firmer in early trading. Trump nominated Howard Lutnick, a supporter of high tariffs and CEO of brokerage Cantor Fitzgerald, as Commerce Secretary. A notable corporate deal announced yesterday was in the U.S. packaging sector, where Amcor will acquire Berry Global Group for $8.4 billion in an all-stock deal to create a container packaging giant. In DCM, Italian gas distributor Snam issued 12-year senior bonds in sterling, rated BBB+, at a 5.80% yield. Also, French telecom Iliad issued 5-year, high-yield euro bonds at 5.38%. In credit ratings, Banco BPI of Portugal was upgraded 2 notches by Moody's to single A2, and Teva Pharma of Israel was upgraded 1 notch by S&P to BB. Data to be released today includes UK's consumer and wholesale inflation, Germany's PPI, Japan's trade, and Denmark's GDP. Indonesia's central bank meets today, with rates expected to remain unchanged at 6%. Blue chips reporting today, Nvidia and TJX companies. It's a holiday in Brazil and India. Thanks for your time, see you tomorrow.
Visit laconicbriefs.com to subscribe to our newsletter, including this audio podcast with an extended script if you prefer to read, plus performance tables and charts, all in one place. Delivered straight to your inbox every morning, Monday to Friday.